एक महीनाको पहाड भ्रमणमा आएको समय पश्चिम बङ्गाल राज्यपाल जगदीप धनखडले आज बिहान सिलिगुडीको सर्किट हाउसबाट एक पत्रकार सम्मेलन मार्फत गोर्खा जनमुक्ति मोर्चा अध्यक्ष बिमल गुरुङ विषय लिएर कानूनको नजरमा बिमल गुरुङ दोषी रहेको छ, त्यसैले कानून आफ्नो बाटोमा जानेछ भनी बताएका छन् भने अर्कोतर्फ राज्यमा कोरोना भाइरस संक्रमण बढिरहेको कारण राज्यले केन्द्र सरकारसँग मिलेर यस विषयमा पहल चाले यस समस्याको समाधान चाँडै हुन सक्ने पनि बताएका छन्। उक्त पत्रकार सम्मेलन पश्चात राज्यपाल जगदीप धनखडले पहाड भ्रमणको निम्ति सिलिगुडीदेखि पहाडतर्फ लागेको जानकारी प्राप्त भएको छ।
After becoming governor, I have had the occasion to be here, and every time interaction with the media was highly rewarding. My Vijayadashmi greetings to all of you. We still continue to be in that spirit. I convey the Sai greetings to brothers and sisters in the hill area. Like the entire globe and the country, our state has also suffered because of COVID. In this area, we have had mortality, some of them very painful, of old people and children of tender age. Our COVID warriors in health sector and in police establishment, we have lost them also. I express my heartfelt condolence at this grave human loss and sympathy with the families of the bereaved. I would appeal to every section of the society that has some capacity to handhold those families and give all assistance which possibly can be given. COVID has made us aware of one thing in particular, and that is our health infrastructure in the state of West Bengal collapsed. Health infrastructure could not measure up to the requisite requirement in spite of our state having enormous human resource. And the reason for that has been ill-advised, unfortunate, confrontational stance of the state government to the well-meaning schemes of the central government. We have had to pay a heavy price. In North Bengal, I have got lot many reports that only tangible, effective health infrastructure was available only with North Bengal Medical College. To have namesake institutions does not give strength in times of crisis. It would have been good for the state, good for the health sector, and good during this crisis if Ayushman Bharat had been adopted by the state of West Bengal. That would have resulted in enhancing of medical facilities, medical education, paralegal facilities, diagnostic centers, and other clinics. Unfortunately, people of the state are paying heavy price for lack of farsightedness and totally misplaced, avoidable confrontation with the central government. Both center and state are two wheels of development. They must be in tandem for betterment of the people. I do hope and believe there will be change. We are part of a great democratic nation. No state can stand alone. There has to be cooperative federalism. There has to be united action, and the purpose has to give relief to the people at large. Another issue that worries me, because of this confrontation, our farmers have massively lost. All over the country except state of West Bengal, every farmer has so far got 12,000 rupees direct in his account. Every farmer has got. And that is a central scheme, PM Kisan, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Nidhi Samman. The amount goes direct to the bank account of the farmer with no middleman, no intermediary, no commission, no cut, no deduction. It is electronic transfer. All over the country, more than 92,000 crore rupees have gone to the farm sector. But my brothers and sisters who are farmers in the state of West Bengal, they have not got a single penny. Each of more than 70 lakh farmers in state of West Bengal has been denied 12,000 rupees each on account of inaction, wrong policies, misplaced confrontation of the state government with the central scheme. State government is not required to contribute even a single penny. It is 100% central assistance. It is neither good economics nor even prudent politics. अन्नदाता के पेट पर लात मारना किसी भी हालात में जायज नहीं कहलाया जा